Hi, I'm Doug here at Global West. I'd like to take a second to talk to you about what I have on the table here. This happens to be parts for 1997 through 2013 Corvettes, C5 and C6s. Now you may or may not know that we offer a performance bushing kit for the front end of those particular vehicles, which happens to be sitting right here. You have the dowel bushings, the upper bushings, lockout kit, and alignment shims all included in the kit. It's a KT-C56F is the part number for that. We have a couple videos that show you how we use this particular kit on the installation for the uppers and the lowers. And in the video, we show this particular kit. It's an installation kit for putting bushings in the control arms. It's a TC56 is going to be your part number. This kit makes it very simple to install the bushings into the control arms without damaging anything. A lot of people are worried about, well, I've never done that before, or they're leery about the shop that's going to do it. Do they have the right tools? This particular toolkit is what we show in the video, and it's also in the instruction sheet that you get with this, making the job very simple. TC56, this is the toolkit. Check our videos out online for the Corvette, and you can see what we're talking about, installing the bushings and what these will do for you. You can see it at globalwest.net or on our YouTube channel, Global West Suspension.